first of all, what do you mean by, we are going to revise the chapter number 2. First is, look at this image and see the various sources of vitamin A. As I have told you, it is present in yellow fruits and green leafy vegetables. Clear? At least 2-3 rich sources you must know. Okay? So, you can say mango, carrot, pumpkin, tomato, etc. and dark green leafy vegetables, they are rich source of vitamin A. What is the importance of vitamin A? Why do we need it? Write it in the chat box. What do you mean? Why? Why do we need vitamin A? What is the importance of vitamin A? Yes, it is very good for eyesight. Very good, Vinayak. Okay, it's good for eyesight. And if we don't take vitamin A, we may suffer from the night blindness. Okay, disease. Night blindness means we find it difficult to see in dim light. The light come here, so we are not able to see. And spelling check of Vinayak, blindness ke. Clear? And it is very good for eyesight. If deficiency is there, we may suffer from complete blindness also. So to keep your eyesight good, we should go for vitamin A. And next, look at this. These are the different sources of vitamin B. Vitamin B is present in pulses, like you are looking, all the pulses are there. And cereals also, okay, bread, bun, उन सब में भी होता है vitamin B. चपाती also. Nuts में होता है vitamin B in good quantity. And green leafy vegetables also. Clear? So we should go for all these foods. What is the importance of vitamin B? Yes, write it. Why do we need it? Yes, beta. Pratham, turn your video on, unmute yourself and tell me what is the importance of vitamin B. Why should we take vitamin B? Yes, Pratham. Anji beta boliye.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, it protects us from berry disease.
Very disease. Clear?
Very. Sorry, ma'am.
Very disease से बचाता है. It protects us from deficiency disease. That is very, and it is very important for our nervous system and muscular system. It keeps our nerves and muscles strong. Very में क्या होता है? Loss of appetite, भूख कम लगती है, nervousness होती है, and sometimes heartbeat तेज हो जाती है. Clear? And हमारा वेट कम हो जाता है, भूख कम हो जाती है, और समटाइम्स हमारे टिगलिंग्स होती हैं, लेम्स में फीलिंग नहीं होती, जैसे सो जाते हैं ना हाथ पैर. that may be the cause of deficiency of vitamin B. So next is, these are gooseberries, amla, which is the richest source of vitamin C. Okay, lemon or orange, kinnu, all these are the rich sources of vitamin C. And what is the importance of vitamin C? Why should we take vitamin C? क्यों लेना चाहिए हमें विटामिन सी? आंवला आप किसी भी फॉर्म में ले सकते हो, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पिकल, कैंडीज, मुरब्बा, जैसे भी आपको टेस्टी लगते हैं, यू शुड गो फॉर इट in order to prevent the deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C protects us from, very good, you are writing correct, it protects us from scurvy. So it keeps our gums healthy. इसमें swelling हो जाती है gums में, bleeding होती है gums से, joints से भी bleeding हो सकती है if there is severe deficiency of vitamin C. Clear? So it protects us from scurvy and protects us from other infections also. If we are having rich amount of vitamin C in the body, so it protects us from some other infections also. Next, iodine. What is the importance of iodine? All the seafoods, they are rich source of they are rich source of iodine. That's why people living in coastal regions, they do not suffer from the deficiency of iodine. Clear? So we get it from iodized salt and some other food items also. You are looking bananas, okay, dairy products like paneer, etc., and then seaweed, fish. Clear? They are the rich source of iodine. What is the importance, Anmol? Unmute yourself, beta. What is the importance of iodine? Why do we need it, Anmol?
It protects us from disease goiter.
Goiter. Okay. What happens in the disease goiter? Okay. It is important for the functioning of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is present in our neck. Okay. It is very important gland जो ये hormone release करती है. That is very important for the proper functioning of our body. So if we suffer from the deficiency of iodine, okay, so we may get goiter. In order to prevent the deficiency of this iodine, we get iodized salt. हमारा जो salt है वो iodized होता है. Next, iron. Iron is also very important. Why do we need iron? Yes, iron हमें क्यों चाहिए? Why do we need it? Naval, but unmute yourself.
Ma'am, iron is to protect ourselves from anemia.
Yes, what is anemia? What happens if we are suffering from anemia? आपको पता है क्या होता है? थोड़ा सा.
Deficiency of blood.
Blood we can't say. RBCs में hemoglobin होता है, उसकी deficiency हो जाती है. And person looks pale. It is related to blood. Okay, RBCs में हमारे component होता है hemoglobin, which is very important and which carries oxygen to all parts of the body, to all the cells of the body. अगर हमारी ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेगी सेल्स को, फूड आयोडाइज नहीं होगा तो हमें एनर्जी नहीं मिलेगी. दैट्स व्हाई हम जल्दी थक जाते हैं थोड़ा सा काम करने के बाद अगर हमारे में हीमोग्लोबिन की कमी है. क्लियर? So it is very important for the formation of hemoglobin in the blood and its deficiency causes anemia. Pale skin हो जाती है, reddish नहीं रहती. Okay, तो उसकी जो टोन है वो change हो जाती है. So it's very important for the formation of hemoglobin, which is the main component of the blood. Clear? So sources, pulses, green leafy vegetables, dates, liver, etc. गुड़ खाती हो उसमें भी आयरन होता है. Okay, these days you can go for that. Sugarcane juice. Then name two sources and one function of each. First of all, proteins. Write two sources of proteins. Amrit, unmute yourself. Beta, name two sources of proteins. Amrit. Amrit,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए. Two sources of proteins.
मैम प्रोटीन के मैम मिल्क एग फिश.
Very good. Fish, egg, milk and milk products. And soya beans, सभी pulses.
Ma'am,
And soya bean is
ma'am,
the
milk
richest source.
product like curd.
Yes, good. Milk products.
Pulses.
Pulses, very good. Okay, सभी pulses जो हैं, they are the rich source of proteins. अगर कोई egg meat नहीं खाता, तो pulses like soybean can be taken in order to prevent the deficiency of proteins. What is the function of proteins? Tanishka. Tanishka, beta, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, proteins protect. Ma'am, proteins help us in the growth of the body.
Very good. Yes, they help
Ma'am,
in the growth means they help in the formation of new cells and tissues and they repair the worn out cells. Like growing children, mute yourself. Clear? Growing children, they need more proteins because proteins provide the material for the formation of new cells and tissues. They're very good for the growth. And next, vitamins and minerals. We should take vitamins and minerals. Why should we take vitamins and minerals? Write it in the chat box. Sanchi, unmute yourself. Sanchi. Anji beta, why should we take vitamins and minerals?
Our body.
Yes, in order to. Why are they important?
It helps our body to grow well and develop properly.
You are looking from the book. No problem, अगर wrong हो जाता है, no problem. You should be very confident to speak out, okay? Yes. What do we call it? What do we call them? क्या कहते हैं हम इनको गोविंद? What we call, जैसे carbohydrates, fats को हम कहते हैं energy giving food. Proteins are called body building food. What do we call vitamins and minerals? Govind, unmute yourself.
ma'am, protective food.
Very good. Okay, we call them protective food because they protect us from diseases. Clear? So we call them protective food because they protect us from various diseases and sources are all fruits and vegetables. अगर आप seasonal, easily available जो भी fruits और vegetables हैं, you take good amount of these fruits and vegetables, you don't suffer from the deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Clear? So they are called protective food. They protect, they prevent the diseases. They make our immune system strong. Next is roughage. We call it fiber also. Name the main sources of roughage. Although it does not provide any nutrient, but it is important. हमें इसमें से कोई nutrient नहीं मिलता. We are not able to digest roughage, but it is important. Why do we take it? Yes, very good. Manjot, unmute yourself. Name of
Yes, ma'am.
sources. हाँ जी, roughage के sources बोलो.
Semolina, apple, radish,
Very
carrot.
Very good. Okay, salad जो हम लेते हैं, salad में जो भी हम fruits, vegetables जो भी हम लेते हैं, they are the rich source of roughage. Clear? And next, why do we take roughage? हम लेते क्यों हैं roughage? Why? इसका कोई nutrient तो इसमें से नहीं मिलता. Why do we take it? Yes. Manvi, unmute yourself. And you don't have to talk to anyone else. Family में जो भी person आपके पास है उससे बाद में बात किया करो. Concentrate in the class. Yes, Manvi. Why roughage is important? Unmute yourself. Harshpreet. Unmute yourself, beta. Why do we need roughage? Why is it important? Any one function of it?
To get rid of undigested food.
Very good. Okay, to get rid of undigested food. It helps to make our digestion easy. It helps to make our digestive system strong. It helps to clean our digestive tract. Clear? Green leafy vegetables, fruits, whole grains, they are the source of dalia, etc. जो भी आप खाते हो, is good source of refuge. And it helps to get rid of undigested food. It checks constipation. Clear? It adds bulk to the food. All these are the functions of roughage. Next, why does our body need water? We always say we should drink water. Why should we drink water? क्यों पानी पीना चाहिए? रौनक, unmute yourself, beta. Why should we drink water?
Ma'am, for regulate our body temperature.
Very good. Okay, to regulate our body temperature, to keep the temperature constant, body temperature constant. It is 37 degrees Celsius, the normal body temperature. It helps to maintain that. Another function, Jashika, unmute yourself, beta. Hanji. Another function,
It flushes out toxins and waste.
very good. It helps to remove toxins and waste. जो भी हमारी बॉडी में जहरीले पदार्थ बनते हैं उनको बाहर निकालता है in the form of sweat and urine. And another function, first it helps to regulate our body temperature. Keep on writing in chat box. Yes, it flushes out toxins and waste. And third one is it plays an important role in proper digestion of food. Clear? Blood में जो main part है, that is water. Okay? So all the body, जो हमारी body में जो भी activities होती हैं, reactions होती हैं, they takes place in the form of, in the presence of water. Next, what do you mean by balanced diet? What is balanced diet? Rohani, unmute yourself, beta. What is?
A balanced diet is a diet which contains all the nutrients in our body.
Required by our body, okay? All the nutrients, very good. It contain all the diet which contain all the nutrients in right amount required for the body. Yes, Jay Banga, turn your video on, beta, speak out. Is it same for all the age groups and all the professions?
Ma'am, no.
No. Okay, it is not same for all. Like growing children need more proteins than adult, and the person who is doing labor, hard physical work needs more carbohydrates than a person who sits in the office. Okay, जिसका sedentary काम है, चेयर पे बैठ के काम करता है, उसके comparatively एक रिक्शा पुलर को जो हार्ड काम करता है, फिजिकल लेबर करता है, उसको ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स चाहिए. Clear? So it is not same for all. So the food with all essential nutrients in right amount required for the body is called balanced diet. Very good. And next, name the disease caused due to the deficiency of calcium. कैल्शियम की डेफिशिएंसी से डिजीज कौन सी होती? नील, डू यू नो?
मैम कैल्शियम की डेफिशिएंसी.
यस, वेरी गुड.
मैम
खुशनाक, गुड आंसर. हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए.
मैम osteoporosis.
Very good, osteoporosis. So we should take good amount of calcium, and calcium is present in milk. Clear? Milk में present होता है vitamins, fruits, vegetables. So we should go for milk 2-3 times. Milk products लेने चाहिए. सो ऑस्टियोप्रोसिस में क्या होते हैं, लेस डेंसिटी ऑफ बोन्स, बोन्स जो है वो खुरदरी हो जाती हैं, उनमें उसकी डेंसिटी कम हो जाती है, वीक हो जाती हैं, जल्दी टूटने लगती हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट विटामिन सी, डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन सी अभी हमने किया, वेरी इजी. Yes, deficiency disease due to vitamin C is scurvy. This means there is swelling in the gums. Okay, there may be bleeding in the gums. So vitamin C is very important for the proper, it keeps our gums healthy and strong. And next is vitamin D. Name the deficiency disease caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Which disease is there? Yes, very good. It is rickets. Okay. Rickets में क्या होते हैं? Bones are weak. They may deform. Deform means उनकी shape change हो जाती है. Clear? Bend हो जाती हैं. Like chest भी, उसमें ribs भी जो है वो डिफॉर्म हो जाती हैं. चेस्ट जो है पिजन लाइक शेप में हो जाती है बच्चों की अगर उनमें विटामिन डी लेस है. और ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस में जो हमारी बोन्स है वो ऐसे हो जाती है जैसे हनी कॉम होता है. क्लियर? सो वी शुड टेक गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कैल्शियम. दूध पीना चाहिए आपको. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज हाइजीन? गिव अ फ्यू टिप्स टू मेंटेन हाइजीन. हाइजीन क्या है? डिफाइन इट. हाँ जी बेटा. गुरजोत, कैन यू टेल व्हाट इज हाइजीन? You can try, I'll help you. Gurjot, unmute yourself. Yes, are you listening? Hitesh. Hitesh.
Ma'am, hygiene is the meaning of the hygiene is to clean our surroundings clean, and we should not allow water, and we should not allow stagnant water.
Yes, these are the tips. Okay, good. You are answering. Very good. These are the tips to maintain hygiene, but hygiene means following some practices which help to maintain our good health. वो हमारी बॉडी है. टेकिंग बैलेंस डाइट भी हाइजीन का पार्ट होता है बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स टू मेंटेन अवर गुड हेल्थ. क्लियर? तो जो अवॉइड स्मोकिंग, ड्रिंकिंग एक्सेट्रा वो सब भी इसी में आ जाता है. तो हाइजीन मीन्स फॉलोइंग गुड प्रैक्टिसेस विच हेल्प टू मेंटेन अवर गुड हेल्थ, फिजिकल हेल्थ, पर्सनल हेल्थ. क्लियर? So these are the tips you can describe by looking at these images. First one is we should keep our surrounding clean. Otherwise, flies may breed, we may suffer from diseases, and we should keep our food covered. It should be kept away from the reach of flies and insects like cockroaches, etc. Clear? Or what else? We should not allow stagnant water. Water should not stagnate near the house. Otherwise, mosquitoes may breed. Okay? तो भी diseases हो सकती हैं. We should brush our teeth. We should take bath. Daily हमें bath लेना चाहिए. We should wear clean clothes. All these are the some tips which help to maintain hygiene. Clear? And wo take proper rest also. Okay, sleep well, proper posture. Otherwise आपकी backbone में problem हो सकती है. आपको बहुत सारी और problems हो सकती हैं when you don't sit properly. आपको सीधे बैठना चाहिए. अभी भी कुछ बच्चे सीधे नहीं बैठे हुए. Okay, keep your backbone straight when you sit. Maintain good posture. Take proper rest. Have balanced meal. Okay, all these are important, and to regularly disinfect your house in order to kill the germs. And next, name 2 diseases which spread through insect bite. इंसेक्ट बाइट से होने वाली डिजीजेस पुष्कर, better turn your camera on, unmute yourself and name 2 diseases which spread through mosquito insect bite. Anji beta, are you there?
Ma'am, repeat the question.
It's written on the screen. Name 2 diseases which spread through insect bite. जब आप कैमरा ऑफ रखते हो तो you are not attentive. That's why we always ask you to keep the cameras on. हाँ जी बोलिए. इंसेक्ट बाइट से डिजीज कौन सी होती है? यस अवनी.
I'm dengue.
यस डेंगू एंड मलेरिया.
Malaria.
ओके, डेंगू एंड मलेरिया दोनों ही मस्कीटो बाइट से होते हैं. मलेरिया इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू द बाइट ऑफ, मलेरिया होता है एनोफ्लिस मस्कीटो, और डेंगू इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू एडिस मस्कीटो. एंड नेम द डिजीज which is caused due to rat flea.
Ma'am, plague.
Plague. Okay, plague is caused, yes, yellow fever is caused by CC fly. ये अफ्रीका में कॉमन होते हैं. And next, name 2 diseases which are caused due to direct contact. Direct contact से जो होती हैं. And malaria is caused due to, malaria is caused by a protozoa. क्या आपको जर्म्स की पता है ना? 4 टाइप्स, बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, फंजाई एंड प्रोटोजोआ. तो मलेरिया जो इट इज कॉज्ड बाय प्रोटोजोआ. यस, वेरी गुड. एंड दिस इज रिंगवर्म. ओके, इट इज कॉज्ड बाय फंजाई एंड it spreads through direct contact. Direct contact means when you share the things of a person. And Jay Khatri, unmute yourself. Name the disease. Another disease caused due to direct contact. Yes, Chirayu. Unmute yourself. Turn the cameras on. Anji beta boliye. Chicken pox. Okay, this is chicken pox. It also spreads through direct contact when we share the things of a person who is suffering from chicken pox. Next, name 2 diseases which spreads through air. Germs are present in air and we suffer from these diseases. First one is, yes, Lavish, unmute yourself. Lavish. Anji Lavish beta boliye. Which
Common cold.
Common cold. And second one is, common cold is caused by a virus. Clear? And this is,
Yes.
whooping cough. It is also very good growth. Avni also. Influenza. Influenza is also caused by a virus. Okay. COVID-19 is also caused by a virus. Okay, ये भी direct contact से होती है. Yes. Next is, what is vaccination? Vaccination क्या है बेटा? Write it in the chat box. Very good, Jashika. Very quick answer. Very good, and is very correct also. Anji, vaccine, only one answer. Yes, Avni, write it in the chat box. Yes, Vasvi, you will unmute yourself and you have to tell what is vaccination. Vasvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए, what is vaccination? It is a treatment in which vaccine is provided to the body in order to make your immune system strong. Okay? It helps to make our immune system strong. You are not audible, beta. Some network problem is there, I think so.
Yes.
Yes. Now, any queries there? So you can ask. Can you name a few diseases